Hi guys, I am Rishi Singh. Now I am going to explain you about types of electrical sources. So electrical sources is nothing but a source which converts different types of energy like mechanical energy, chemical energy or thermal energy into electrical energy. Electrical sources are nothing but a device which is meant for generating electrical energy. So electrical sources are of two types, current source and voltage source. So current source is divided into two parts: ideal current source and practical current source. And also in the same phase, voltage source is also divided into two parts: ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. So current source are further categorized as I am explaining further details about ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Ideal voltage source, in this internal resistance is 10 to 0. As you know that it is practically impossible because any wire which has something which carries current has some resistance. So in practically it's not possible. It's generally just we consider it as resistance 0. So practically we use practical voltage sources. So so um, practical current voltage source follows sinusoidal waves in AC phase, and an ideal voltage source just shows linear graph. So so let's talk about the internal resistance. Let's talk about the internal resistance of a ideal voltage source. It is able to supply or absorb any amount of current. The current and ideal voltage source is completely determined by the source which supplies it. The current through the source approaches infinity as resistance goes to 0. So practically internal resistance of current source must be some value. It cannot be 0. So the internal resistance of ideal current source is infinite. An independent current source with zero current is identical to an open circuit. The voltage across an ideal current source is completely determined by circuit is connected to. When connected to a short circuit, there is zero voltage and thus zero power delivered. When connected to a load resistance, the voltage across the source approaches infinity as load resistance approaches infinity. Okay, here comes the end of this topic. Thank you.